About 2.3 billion people in the world, like 1/3 of the global population, cook with open fire, fueled by charcoal, biomass, and kerosene. These methods generate harmful indoor air pollution, contributing in more than 50% of the black carbon emissions produced by humans. In 2020, household air pollution was responsible for around 3.2 million deaths and more than 237,000 deaths of children under 5. Women and children are more vulnerable by household pollution. They cook and spend more time exposed to harmful smoke from stoves and fuels. For women in low and middle income countries, household pollution is one of the major environmental health risks. There are incredible stories about governments, individuals, and entrepreneurs who are contributing to the transformation of the clean cooking sector. The Climate and Clean Air Coalition, hosted by UNEP, is working closely with governments to support policies to scale up clean cooking. We need to continue working together and advocating for action on clean cooking.